How do you turn off the iPhone passcode? Let me explain it and show it to you. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So the passcode is essential to multiple different features, but we can go to the settings and below we should be able to find Face ID and a passcode section. If you have an older iPhone with the Touch ID home button, it's going to say Touch ID and a passcode, but it's essentially the same. We get inside. At first we have to type in the current one like this, and you can now turn off the features for Face ID. Right, because of course we have the ability to change the passcode, but the button to turn it off is simply not active. So you just check out this section first. If the turn passcode off is clickable, then just go through it. But if it's not, just like in my case, at first we have to disable all of the things in here, right? So we have to make sure that we turn off the stuff for the other things, make sure that it doesn't quite work this way, and essentially we disable it for every single possible thing. Obviously, it is not something that I would recommend someone to do, simply because it's not a good idea to keep your phone unlocked. But that's how you can do this, right? And you'll have the ability to turn off the passcode then. So now that I clicked on the reset Face ID, it also reset it fully. And now we have the ability to turn passcode off. We have the ability to do so. Obviously, it's going to tell us why it's probably not a good idea. So make sure you keep some sort of security on your phone, but if you would want it to, you can just confirm it like this and the passcode will be turned off. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.